Hello powerful minds. Do you know what a Pomodoro technique is? Today in this video we will see what is a Pomodoro technique and how you can use it for more productivity. So let's get started. A Pomodoro technique is basically a time management technique which helps you complete your task in an efficient manner. Now we will see how to use Pomodoro technique. First you need to select a particular task that you want to complete. Then set a timer for 25 minutes and work on that task with full focus, and if any distraction pops up in your mind, then write it on a piece of paper and keep it aside. When the 25 minutes timer starts ringing, take a 5-minute break. In this short break you can relax or do some light breathing exercise. After completing your break, again set a timer for 25 minutes for work, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoro cycles, take a 30-minute break. In this break you can do anything you want. Or you can have a look at the list of thoughts that came up to your mind while you were working. In these list of thoughts, if you feel there is anything or task that needs your attention, you can complete those tasks in this 30 minutes break. After completing 30 minutes break, you can start over with a new Pomodoro cycles. Pomodoro technique is one of the most effective technique for time management. Some benefits of Pomodoro technique are: it improves planning, helps you fight procrastination, breaks the habit of multitasking, lets you deal with distraction and interruption, and maintains motivation. We will end this video here, and make sure you try this Pomodoro technique for completing your tasks. That's all for this video. If you have liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe this channel for more powerful knowledge.